Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, YouTube. Chevy Trax turbo under boost. Boy, seems to me that this is the second turbo for us this year. So this is GM's Ecotech 1.4 liter boosted engine, and as you can see, we're getting into replacing the turbo. So you definitely want to replace the oil feed and return lines, coolant feed, return lines. We got some genuine parts here, and then we have some Gates parts, no problem. Gasket, we got this from a local supplier instead of eBay or Amazon, which you can save probably like 200 bucks, but if it comes damaged or doesn't work, you're dicking around with them. Buy it from your local supplier, call them up, they'll send you another one. What's nice about this turbo is that it comes with all the new vacuum lines, the vacuum switch for the wastegate. I think this is for the blow-off valve. Pretty sure it is for the blow-off valve. This here, on the other models, you have to transfer this and this, and I believe that's why it's like $100 or $150 for their turbo. This one here, it also has this bolt indexed, and I'm curious if they have the boost set on this, because the cheaper ones, morning Caleb and I had to go out and dial in the wastegate to get the boost pressure up, because it seems like the other ones were coming set up at 14.5, somewhere around there.
And they need to be at least 19, right?
It was 19 minimum, yeah. And these do make some high pressure boost for some reason. I think max was like 29 or something like that. Pretty high. Check my other YouTube video on the specs.
It is a really small turbo, so it's not making much power, but that is a lot of pressure.
Yeah. But what I was saying is that it comes with the new wastegate solenoid, the hoses, and the blow-off valve, which is cool because you have to transfer that shit on the other ones, and if your turbo's bad, chances on the rest of this stuff is near failure or failed already. So I'm interested to see what happens when we get this in there, if I have to go back in and manually adjust the boost. And it seems like it's like one turn on the other ones. It gets it from 15 to 19 or something like that. Get it over 19. I don't remember anyway, but we'll get into it.